Good morning, first grade, and welcome to Story Hour. I have a new book for you. Thankfully, I'm thankful for Ms. Zingelman for letting us borrow her books for science for this week. So this week, or today, I'm going to read you a story called Tall, Tall Tree, and it is super fun. And so today you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the book. And then we have some activities for you to do later on. So the title of the story today is Tall, Tall Book, and I decided to stand that way. Hopefully you can see the pictures too while I'm reading it. So, here we go. This first page says, Dear humans, can we see this? Yep. Dear humans, I live at the top of a tree, a tall, tall tree. My tree is a redwood, one of the tallest trees in the world. Redwoods are higher than many buildings. That's really tall. This tree is where I find my food. It's also where I sleep and I raise my family. And it's where I hide from all the animals who try to catch me. There are lots of other animals who live up here too. Some live here their entire lives. Some just visit for a little while, and some come and go throughout the year. Yet for a long time, scientists didn't know where we lived. They didn't know that we lived so high. This was our hidden world. Finally, people learned how to climb these tall trees. When they did, they discovered us. Imagine their surprise. They also learned something new. Because we live so high, sometimes our weather up here is different than your weather down there. Isn't that amazing? So welcome to our special place, our redwood tree. There are a lot of amazing things to discover here and a lot to learn. By learning more, you can help save and protect our fragile ecosystem, and we could sure use your help. In fact, we'll count on you. Wisely yours, Northern Spotted Owl. So there's a little note. Here we go. Creeping, hopping, zipping throughout the redwoods green are many different creatures who are very seldom seen. They live among the branches high in this tall, tall tree. Insects, birds, and mammals. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 1. A single soaring eagle against a sky of blue searches for his dinner, and now comes number 2. 2. 2 brown and spotted owls nest in a canopy, carrying food to babies, and now comes number 3. 3. 3 climbing salamanders. There they are. If you can't see them, they're kind of blended in. Above the forest floor, hunt for tiny insects, and now comes number 4. 4 busy woodpeckers, in order to survive, are storing all their acorns, and now comes number 5. 5 furry wood rats, darting in the sticks, dining on some juicy plants, and now comes number 6. 6, try to see if you can see it. Okay. 6 chattering chipmunks in this treetop heaven dash, dart, and scamper, and now comes number, you got it, 7. 7 busy bumblebees zig and zag and wait. They flash in black and yellow, and now comes number 8. 8 sleeping bats roosting in a line, waiting for the moon to rise, and now comes number 9. 9 banana slugs, yellow slimy, then they slide around the tree, and then comes number 10. We got it, 10. 10 spotted ladybugs on teeny tiny feet crawled along the needles, but our story's not complete. Not yet. Oh, we gotta turn it. I love books like this. Make me have to see. All right. Many other animals sleep and eat and roam Up in this tall, tall tree, their elevated home. Elevated is like high. The tree lives in a forest close to the foggy shore. It's a wild and magic world. Come discover and explore. Meet the world's tallest tree. So, here's the world's tallest tree. It says the coast redwood. Tall. Many redwood trees are over 360 feet tall. That's taller than any 30-story skyscraper. Whoa! I actually didn't know that. Wide. It is nearly 30 feet wide. That's as wide as a volleyball court. The tree. No way. That's crazy. High home. Needles, bark, and leaves from other trees collect on redwood tree branches. After time, they become mats of spongy humus. These mats are like gardens in the sky, and they allow many plants and animals to live on the ground to also live up high in the treetops. And so then it also shows the hidden animals that we talked about and we read about, and even some more different ones that are on there too. So maybe you can pause that and read if you'd like to about the different animals. So very interesting and very fun. I told you it was going to be a fun one. So stick around and we will read some more later on. And I hope you enjoyed today's story, and I'll see you back later. All right. Bye-bye, guys.